Are you struggling to find methods to download YouTube videos directly from YouTube? Well, in this video, I'll teach you the methods exactly how to download YouTube videos exactly from YouTube and even download videos from other creators and things like that. So if that interests you, just watch the whole video and I'll teach you exactly how to do that. So this is my channel, let's say for example, and I would like to download, let's say, the how to tie a tie video as well as the introducing the new Tesla Model Y Performance. What I would go ahead and do just for time efficiency, just to easily download these two videos at the same time, what you can easily do is you can add the videos to a certain playlist, and the playlist I'm gonna add it to is this YouTube videos playlist. So I'm gonna add both these videos to the playlist, and then once that's all said and done, I basically just want to go to that YouTube playlist. Once I'm on the playlist, you'll see this download button if you can follow on my mouse cursor. Once you go to your downloads, it may say download is unavailable, but as you guys can see, the downloads are preparing to download. It should download momentarily. So yeah, y'all, this is an easy and simple way to download YouTube videos straight from YouTube. With this tutorial, you do have to have YouTube Premium, which is something that's hard to obtain sometimes, but this is the easiest way that I found to get YouTube videos legally. So I hope this video was helpful. Share it with anybody that might need this info, that wants to just download these videos onto their computer. Anyways, I have a lot of how-to videos on my channel and entertaining vlogs, so make sure you guys tap in with those. My handle is @Aaron_Miyako. I'll see y'all next one. Peace.